This Diamond Realty and Associates property video is presented by Mindy Wardlaw. Wonderful open floor plan with formal dining and breakfast bar that opens to soaring ceilings in living room with fireplace. Beautiful brick accent walls, large windows. 3 bedrooms down with remote owner suite, luxurious bath and walk-in closets. Upstairs king-sized bedroom with full bath and a second large living area or media room currently. Fabulous backyard for the family and pets. Wonderful Haughton Neighborhood so close to Barksdale AFB, I-20 to Minden, Ruston or Shreveports Finest. For more information, review the details below.